if you would like to come up and help us on stage, tell our story, put your hand up nice and high in the air for me. Oh, lots of you, brilliant. Okay, so the first character we're going to need is a cat. So after 3, I want you to do your very best meows. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You were really good. Do you want to come up for me? Come on up, come on up, come on up. Hello, sweetheart. What's your name? Abby, fantastic. Give Abby a nice big round of applause. Now, you don't look much like a cat, do you? You look more like a witch than a cat. So let's see what I've got in my little box. Perfect. So do you want to put those on your head? And now Abby is our cat. Give her a nice big round of applause. Brilliant. Do you want to sit on the blue seat for me, sweetie? Okay, so the next character we need, hands up. Now, parents, you may want to put your fingers in your ears for this one, because we need the little ones to shriek like a bird. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are very good. Come on up, my darling. Hello, sweetie. What's your name? Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Give Charlie a nice big round of applause. Now, you don't look much like a bird, do you? You look more like a football player than a bird. So let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. Oh, we have this lovely feathery headdress. Look how fetching he is. And if you want to take a seat on the other chair for me, give him a nice big round of applause. That's very nice of that, of course. Lovely. Now the final character we need is our frog. So hands up in the air if you want to be our frog. And after 3, we want to hear your loudest croak. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't need you to do that one more time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you want to come on up for me, sweetie? Come on up for me. Hello, my darling. What's your name? Hello, Henry. Now, Henry doesn't look much like a frog, does he? So, we have got the best one for you, Henry. We're going to need you to pop that on your head. There we go. Now, Henry is our frog. Give him a nice big round of applause. Lovely stuff. Now, the next character we need is our witch. Can anyone see our witch at all? She's where? Oh, hello there, witch. Hello. Now, we still do need your help, because I'm a little bit forgetful. And sometimes I forget the line, and whoosh, they were gone. So I need you guys to help me say it. So anytime the witch taps her broomstick, like so, I need you to say, and whoosh, they were gone. Shall we try that all together? Yeah? And whoosh, they were gone. Fantastic. Now let's let the story begin. The witch had a cat. And a very tall hat. And long ginger hair which she wore in a plait. How the cat purred, and how the witch grinned, as they sat on their broomstick and flew through the wind. But how the witch wailed, and how the cat spat, when the wind blew so wildly, it blew off the hat. Down, cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the hat, but no hat could be found. Then, out from the bushes, on thundering paws, there bounded a dog with the hat in her jaws. She dropped it politely and eagerly said, as the witch pulled the hat firmly back on her head,
I am a dog, as keen as can be. Is there room on the broom for a dog like me?
Yes, the witch cried, and the dog clambered on. The witch tapped her broomstick, and whoosh, they were gone. Over the fields and the forest they flew. The dog wagged her tail as the stormy wind blew. The witch laughed aloud and held on to her hat. But away flew the bow from her long ginger plait. Down, cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the bow, but no bow could be found. Then out of the trees, with an ear-splitting shriek, there flapped a green bird with the bow in his beak. He dropped it politely and bent his head low and said, as the witch tied her hat firmly back in the bow, I am the bird, as green as can be. Yes! cried the witch, and the bird fluttered on. The witch tapped her broomstick, and whoosh, they were gone. Over the reeds and the rivers they flew. The bird shrieked with glee as the stormy wind blew. They shot through the sky, through the back and beyond. The witch clutched her bow, but let go of her wand. Down, cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the wand, but no wand could be found. Then all of a sudden, from out of the pond, leapt a dripping wet frog with a dripping wet wand. He dropped it politely and said with a croak, as the witch tried the wand on a fold of her cloak, I am a frog, as clean as can be. Is there room on the broom for a frog like me? Yes! Cried the witch, and the frog leapt on. The witch tapped her broomstick, and whoosh, they were gone. Over the moors and the mountains they flew. The frog jumped for joy, and the broom broke in two. Down fell the cat, and the dog, and the frog. Down they went tumbling into a bog. The witch's half broomstick flew into a cloud, and the witch heard a roar that was scary and loud. I am a dragon, as mean as can be, and I'm planning on having witch and chips for my tea. No! The witch said, flying higher and higher. The dragon flew after her, breathing out fire. Help! Help! The witch cried, flying down to the ground. She searched all around, but no help could be found. The dragon drew closer, licking his lips, and said, maybe this once I'll have witch without chips. But just as he planned to begin his feast, out from the ditch rose a horrible beast. It was tall, dark and sticky. It was feathered, it was furred. It had 4 fearsome heads. It had wings like a bird. And his terrible voice, when it started to speak, was a yowl, and a growl, and a croak, and a shriek. It dripped and it squelched as it rose from the ditch, and it said to the dragon, buzz off, that's my witch. The dragon drew back and started to shake. Oh, I'm sorry, he spluttered. I made a mistake. It's nice to have met you, but now I must fly. He spread out his wings and flew off through the sky. Down flew the bird. Down jumped the frog. Down climbed the cat. And you, said the dog. Thank you, oh, thank you. The grateful witch cried. Without you, I'd have been in that dragon's inside. She filled up her cauldron and said with a grin, find something, everyone, throw something in. So the frog found a lily. The cat found a comb. The bird found a twig. And the dog found a bone. They threw them all in, and the witch stirred them well. And as she was stirring, she muttered a spell. Now we're going to need your help with the spell. So witch, hello. What are the magic words to your spell, please? Iggity, siggity, zaggity, zoo. Okay, have we all got that? So after 3, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Iggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoo. And out from the cauldron rose a truly magnificent broom. It had a seat for the witch, and the cat, and the dog. It had a nest for the bird, and a shower for the frog. Yes! Cried the witch, and then she tapped on her broom, and whoosh, they were gone! The end. Give them a nice big round of applause. Okay, we're going to do a little bow with our 3. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Now we are going to do a small meet and greet with the witch guys. So if you would like to meet the witch, we ask that you line up on the left-hand side. If not, thank you so much for joining us here at Broom on the Broom. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Chessington Wild Adventures Resort. Goodbye.